Susie, I got mail. It's freezing outside.
Well, have breakfast. Then you'll warm up. Huh? Sammy?
I said I nearly froze, and you're suggesting I drink cold milk?
All right, let's switch.
Oatmeal, yuck!
You know what, Mr. Emoji Face? It's not a restaurant here.
Oh, sweet Susie, you wouldn't leave me hanging all hungry and in a bad mood.
Fine, but after breakfast, the dishes are on you.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey!
Hi, guys. Tell us, what's your favorite breakfast?
We most certainly like pancakes the best. Hi, everyone.
If you only liked to cook them and not just eat them.
Oh, Susie, you know that I'm a true artiste. Splendid. I can't cook boring food. I'm too good for that.
Then today is your lucky day, because our pancakes will be very unusual. But first, we need to whip this mixture of sugar, 1 egg, and salt into foam. Next comes 250 milliliters of milk. We're gonna gradually mix it in.
Unless that's unicorn milk, I don't see anything unusual about your batter, Sue.
It's just regular milk, Sammy, and some pretty ordinary flour. Guys, it is very important not to leave any lumps. Now, the baking soda, which will make our pancakes fluffy.
And vegetable oil will prevent them from sticking to the frying pan. Still nothing new.
Ah, you want the fun part, and you'll get it. We'll take our batter and whoosh, divide it into 4 parts.
Holy cannoli, why do we... Oh, I know!
We're gonna color them. Just a few drops of the food coloring. And mix it all really well.
Guys, this is unbelievable! Just look at all those bright colors! Sue, if I didn't know that we were cooking today, I'd think that we were gonna draw something spectacular.
Who says we won't? This way, it's gonna be much more convenient to create some really fun pancakes.
Wow, awesome! Guys, give a thumbs up if you are as intrigued as I am, and stay tuned!
Here we go. Guys, remember to be very careful working with the cooker. Better ask an adult to help.
Alrighty, I am ready to make some pancakes! Or should I say some art pancakes? Heh.
Ah, I see that you figured out my little trick. Let's get started then, but you should work rather fast. And note that your frying pans need to be really hot, guys. Be very careful and don't burn your hands.
Shiver me chatters, that's the frozen emoji!
Yep, and for this step, you're gonna need a steady hand.
Don't forget to add more icicles to his chin.
Got it. Now we'll make the outline of our first emoji pancake more visible. And then we'll deal with its teeth.
You're gonna need some white then, am I right?
As always. You see, this is why it is more convenient to use these special bottles with nozzles. You could use piping bags instead, I guess, but in that case, the openings in them should still be tiny.
Uh-huh. Syringes might also do, people. Just try not to hurt your fingers.
Here comes the light blue. Very good.
And the last step will be blue, but this time we'll take the bigger bottle.
That's right. This way, we need to fill our pancake with the batter all the way through.
It's spatula time.
Thanks, Sammy. Okay, carefully. There we go.
Oh my feta! Guys, this is amazing!
And I bet very tasty. Just a few more seconds on the other side and breakfast is served.
Hey, Sue, we've got so many colors here, like that brown one. What do we need it for?
Try and guess, Sammy. Try and guess.
No way.
Yes way. I thought that if we were going to make unusual pancakes, we could make them in not so regular shapes as well.
Guys, This is amazing. Hit the subscribe button if you agree.
And the best part is that you really can choose any shape and use any colors. All you need is to figure out the main principle. First, draw all the details that would be on the front part of your pancake. Then, thoroughly work on all the outlines. And afterward, fill in the whole batter drawing.
What do we want? Pancakes! When do we want them? Now!
And you're gonna get them very soon. Just let me finish with the brown color. Here we go, all the way through. All we need is just to wait a bit. Don't forget about the other side, guys.
I really want to say that it looks yummy, but... you could have made something cuter, you know.
Okay, I got you, Sammy. Let's make something else. It's really hard to draw with your hand elevated.
Let me entertain ya. The very first emoji was created in Japan during the development of a new internet platform. Since it allowed for a limited number of characters, one guy came up with the idea to replace words with pictures.
Huh, so that people could share longer messages using less data? Smart.
Exactly. And in the Japanese language, the word "e" means picture and "moji" means character.
So now, all of us have a universal dictionary that consists of various emojis. Thanks to emojis, we basically speak the same language. Isn't it great?
I'd say that it is awesome and I love it.
All right, now we have 1, 2, and 3 pancakes.
Susie, let's make one more and start our breakfast already. I'm starving.
Seems to me that you only have 2 conditions. Either you're hungry or you're just too full to move.
Well, maybe you're right. Hey, what are you drawing there? Is it a waterfall? Is that a bird or something? I don't get it. I thought we were supposed to stick with emojis.
And that's just what we are doing here, Sammy.
That's strange, but I don't see... Wait a second. Susan, is that gonna be...
Don't panic, Sammy. This is still a tasty pancake.
Uh-huh, then it's gonna be yours.
Fine by me. Now it's time for magic. Whoosh. Doesn't look bad at all. Hey, Sammy, don't you want to check out how this pancake turns out? Oh, this green color is amazing.
All right, let me see. Could you just work faster? Come on, Sue, show me.
Oh, you scared me.
Ah,
And the last pancake flip for today. Carefully, hop.
ready or not, here I go. Aha, that guy is really something. All right, people, let's take a look at all 4 emojis that we cooked today, and then we'll eat them. Alrighty, which one am I gonna eat first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, no, that can't be right. Let's try one more time. Catch a tiger by the toe. Oh, come on!
Hey, Sammy, is something wrong?
Susie, I keep using that counting rhyme, and I always get this pancake. I really don't want to eat it.
Well, Sammy, rules are rules. Okay, let me try this one. Be careful with the knife, guys. This is so good.
I guess you are my fate, buddy. Oh, I almost forgot. Thanks for being with us today, guys. Give a thumbs up to this video if you liked our unusual pancakes.
Don't forget to subscribe as well so you don't miss our next videos.
And you've so gotta try and make these pancakes.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
With 3 levels
Yes!
and loads of decorations.
As many as you like.
My wedding day might not be ruined after all. So, don't forget, 3 layers, loads of decorations. And did I say it must be ready by this afternoon? Thanks, Sid. Here comes the bride, here comes the bride.
The cake has got to be ready by this afternoon's reception. This doesn't leave me much time, so I need to find a bakery that's going to let me use their kitchen, bake a cake, and then deliver the cake back here this afternoon before the party. Where am I going to find a bakery?
Oh, hello there. Have you seen my daughter? The bride, white dress, big cake should be around here
You just
somewhere.
missed her. She went that way.
Was she all right?
Well, actually, she was a
Oh,
bit...
good, good. Everything must run like clockwork today. The wedding, the dress, the party, and of course the cake. If anything were to go wrong, it would be too awful to think about. Are you looking for something?
Yes, a bakery, actually.
A bakery? Well, you won't find one here. You need to head to Baker Street. There's a baker shop there.
Well, it was lovely to meet you. Enjoy the wedding.
Oh, I will, especially the cake. Oh, cheerio, bye.
Bye. Right, we better find a bakery and make that wedding cake straight away. Let's go.
Let's play.
Aha! This looks like the place. Breads, cakes, buns. Perfect.
Oh, I'm so sorry. We're closed. The baker had a bit of a disaster when he's making a banana loaf.
That's terrible. What happened?
Well, he slipped on a banana skin and had to go to the doctor's.
Oh, dear. Who thought that being a baker could be so dangerous?
Hi, I'm Molly, baker's assistant. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Sid. I'm a baker.
Oh, are you? Oh, that is such a coincidence, because this is a bakery. Well, what is it you're after? Cakes, breads, buns?
No, actually, I'm after a kitchen because I need to do some baking in a...
Oh, can I stop you right there, Seeds? I've got an amazing idea. You need to do some baking, and we've got a kitchen right here. Why don't you do your baking here?
That's a great idea, Molly. I'd love to.
Oh, you're welcome.
The only thing is, I could do with a little bit of help. You couldn't help me, could you?
I'd love to. I love baking.
Things are looking up. I found a kitchen to baking and someone to help me. Let's go and bake a cake.
Let's play.
Right, we've washed our hands. Let's get started. First, we need the ingredients.
Sure thing. What is it you need? I've got Brussels sprouts, tomato sauce, and curry powder.
I don't think a curried tomato cake with sprouts is quite what the bride ordered.
No, no problem, of course. So, what is it you need?
I'm not sure. I can't remember the ingredients we need to bake a cake, and I can't get started unless we have them. What are we going to do? What are they again? Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? Yes, that's it. The 4 ingredients you need to make most cakes are eggs, butter, flour, and sugar. Have you got those ingredients, Molly?
I'll just have a look in the pantry. You wait there.
Sid,
Yes, Molly?
do you want the good news or the bad news?
Bad news, please, Molly.
Well, we don't have any sugar. Eggs, flour, or butter.
You said there was good news, Molly. What's that?
We've got lots of ribbon and icing, so decorating the cake will be easy.
That's great, Molly, but we need a cake to decorate first, and we're running out of...
Can I stop you right there, Sid? I've got an idea. How about I'll go to the shop and buy everything we need?
That's a brilliant idea, Molly.
So what is it again we need? Porridge, potatoes and cherries.
How about I go to the shop and you stay and get the things that we need together for decorating the cake, because that's a really good job for you.
Oh, I love decorating cakes. Yippee!
Thanks, Molly. Right, we better get started. Let's go and get the things that we need.
Let's play.
Right, so we've got everything we need. Eggs, butter, sugar, and flour. Now, if I can pay for these super quick, we can get back to the bakery and bake the cake in time for the wedding reception.
Oh, hello there. How are you today?
I'm very well, thanks. I'm in a bit of a hurry because I've got to bake a cake for a wedding reception this afternoon.
I was once a bridesmaid at a wedding. I had to wear a pink dress and carry the flowers. Oh, it was lovely. Do you like weddings?
Yes, I do. Anyway, like I say, I'm in a bit of a hurry, so if you could...
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Don't want to be late for a wedding, no, do you? No eggs. They look all right to me. Can't be too careful with eggs. If they crack, they could be off.
yes, thanks. So if we could bring up the other things.
Oh, absolutely. That's my job. Well, it's not my only job, actually. I'm actually...
Very interesting. Butter next.
Butter. Sugar. Flour. You know what? This packet is very similar to my great-aunt Clarissa's lounge room curtains. Or is it a bedroom
If you
curtain?
remember, I said I was in a bit of a hurry.
I don't stand around here talking to me all day.
Yes, okay, well, thank you. There you are. Phew, we've got everything we need. Let's get this stuff back to the bakery and start baking. Thanks, bye.
Let's play.
Right, so we've washed our hands again, and we're well on our way to baking a wedding cake. A bit more flour, please, Molly.
No problem.
Oh, yeah, I think there is a little bit of a problem. That's a bit too much.
Sorry.
That's okay. I think we've got enough mixture here. Now, remember, the bride said she wanted 3 layers to her cake, which means we'll need 3 cake tins. We'll start with the top layer first. OK, so if we pour the mixture into the tin there, please, Molly.
No problem.
Lovely. Now we have to be very careful because ovens are hot.
Oh, yes, Sid. Ovens are very hot. You've got to be very careful.
All we need to do is put the mixture in the other tins and then wait.
Let's play.
Oh, I think they're ready. Let's see.
I'll get the cooling rack.
Here's the top tier.
What a yummylicious smell. Is it ready?
I think so. It's hard to tell just by looking at it, though. I can't see inside. How can we tell?
No problem. Let's taste it.
I don't think the bride wants a cake with a bite mark. There must be another way to find out. Hold on, I remember, do you? That's it. A cake is cooked when it's springy to touch and the knife comes out clean. Let's see. Oh, yes, nice and springy. That's a good sign. Now, we have to be very careful because it's still hot. In goes the knife, and yes, it's clean, which means they're ready. Right, I'll go and get the others, and when they're cool, we can decorate them.
Let's play.
The cakes are cool and ready to...
Decorate. Oh, my favourite bit.
Not quite, Molly. I have to stack them first. Okay. Here goes. There.
Slight problem, Sid. The cake. It's wonky.
Oh, dear. Oh, yes, you're right. Well, how do I make sure that they're all level?
Another very good question.
Yes, but...
I think I've got the answer. We can use a spirit level. Yeah, it works every time. We need a spirit level.
Spirit level? What's that?
Well, it's kind of like a flat stick with a bubble in the middle of it.
Hold on. I know what we can use, do you? I knew this would come in handy.
That's the kind of thing I was talking about. Oh, you're a brilliant baker, Sid.
Right, let me restack the cakes. And now we can test it. Ta-da! Here goes.
Perfect. It's all level.
Thanks for your advice, Molly.
No problem.
Now we can...
Decorate. Woohoo!
Let's play.
Oh, it's beautiful. Just like a real wedding cake.
It is a real wedding cake.
Oh, yeah, of course. Absolutely.
Now, as long as nothing else goes wrong, I should just about have enough time to get it to the wedding reception. Oh, Molly, can I take one of these ribbons in case one comes off along the way?
Good idea. Now you better get moving. You can take the van.
Right. Oh, no, the van's not here. Maybe Molly knows where it is. Molly, do you know where the van is?
Oh, yes. I just remembered the baker drove it to the doctor.
Well, maybe I can get it there if I walk. I'll have to walk very quickly, though.
Can I stop you right there?
Not really, Molly. I'm in a bit of a hurry.
No, look, there's a taxi coming.
Oh, yes, so there is. Well spotted. Clever, Molly. Maybe I won't be late after all. Taxi!
Let's play.
What a stroke of luck. I should make it just in time.
Oh, hello again.
Oh, no, I mean, hello.
Oh, nice to see you again. I told you I had another job, didn't I? I'm a taxi driver, see? Where is it you'd like to go?
Well, I'd like to go to the wedding reception at the big hall as soon as possible. Step on it. I've always wanted to say that.
I'll get you there in a jiffy. Or 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Which would you prefer?
Whichever is the quickest.
Hold on tight. Geronimo! Oh, I used to live down this street. Now, which house was it? Just slow down a bit and take a look. Was it that one? Oh, no, Mrs. Patterson used to live in that one. She had a very licky dog.
Let's play.
Thanks for the taxi ride. Phew. Well, we made it. Finally. I'm here now, and so is the cake.
Yoo-hoo! Young man, is that the cake? You're a bit late. I thought it was being delivered this morning. Never mind. It's very nice.
Shall I take it in?
Yes, hurry up, please. Stop! That cake doesn't look right.
Really?
Yes, it's no good. We can't possibly have a cake with the most important thing missing. This is dreadful. The whole wedding is a complete disaster.
I can't see anything missing. I don't understand. I made sure I used all the right ingredients and that the cake was lovely and level. What could possibly be missing? Oh, I remember, do you? Yes, that's it. Wedding cakes sometimes have a little model of a bride and groom on top. Where am I going to find one of those now?
Sid, slight problem. You forgot something.
Look where it landed. You saved the day, Molly. Come on, let's go and show the bride her lovely wedding cake.
Let's play.
There you are, Sid.
Sounds like a great party.
It is, but it wouldn't have been the same without your delicious wedding cake. Thanks, Sid.
Thank you for letting me bake your cake for your big day. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. The 4 important ingredients for most cakes are eggs, butter, sugar, and flour. A cake is cooked when it feels springy to the touch, and the knife comes out clean. And wedding cakes often have a little model of the bride and groom on top.
Thanks for everything, Sid.
No problem. But I think it's time we went home. Bye!
Bye.
Let's play.
Hey, Sid. How was your big baking adventure?
Tasty, Rebecca. Very tasty. I made a wedding cake. What have you been doing?
Well, I decided to stop exercising because my hair kept getting in my eyes.
Oh, that reminds me. This is some of the ribbon that we use to decorate the cake with. I thought you could use it to tie back your hair and keep it out of your eyes.
Sid, you are a genius. Well, we can do some more exercising later.
Definitely. Well, playing bakers was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
When I play waitress, I serve customers like this.
I pretend to climb a big mountain when I'm playing rock climbers.
Playing clowns is fun. I get to pull funny faces. When I play Rugby Plays, I run around like this.